Hello traders, you're welcome to this video and I especially welcome you back to the Forex Geek channel. In this video, we are going to be discussing a unique indicator that can help you to manage risk effectively, okay? The name of the indicator is risk reward ratio indicator, all right? So effective risk management is the cornerstone of every successful Forex trading, all right? With successful forex trading strategy, and the risk reward ratio indicator tries to make it easier than ever. Okay, risk reward ratio is a critical concept for traders looking to make informed decisions. All right, so this indicator tries to simplify the process of calculating your risk reward ratio. Okay, I'm going to be adding the indicator to the chart right away. It's a custom indicator, so you will need to download it from an external site and then add it to your indicators library before you will be able to use the indicator on your chart. Okay, all right, now we can see that currently the indicator is showing a risk reward ratio. The indicator is showing a risk reward ratio based on the levels identified on the chart. Let's zoom. Let's zoom a bit. Look at this carefully. Okay, let's go to the settings of the indicator. Okay, so the indicator is showing a TP price. It seems as if the indicator it's mostly going to be beneficial for scalpers based on what I'm seeing here, because I was trying to check if we can have further levels. The indicator is currently showing a TP price of this point because the indicator displays a potential target, right, given the current move in the market. And we can see that the current move is a sell move, right? And then predicting a TP target here, and perhaps a stop loss of this point, because that's just literally above the swing high. So we are now having a risk to reward ratio of 1:1, because literally you are probably risking almost the same number of pips as you are trying to make. So we're having a risk to reward ratio of 1:1, risking $1 to potentially make $1. So if this trade goes well in your direction, you will likely lose. If you are risking $1, for example, you likely lose $1. If the trade goes your direction, you're gonna make $1. That's if you are using a lot size that is small enough, depending on your account size, right? Doesn't necessarily mean that it is $1 you're going to lose or going to make. Depends on your lot size, but basically the risk to reward ratio is 1:1. If you're entering here and setting your stop loss above here and take profit around here, right? However, the indicator seems to have some limitations. Yeah, you can see here 1:0. The indicator, and it's changed back to 1:1. The indicator seems to have some limitations, I wouldn't lie, because ideally, I think it would have been better if this indicator can enable us select where our take profit should be and where our stop loss should be then it will automatically do the calculations for us. I think that should be a better way of using this indicator. I'm checking the settings. I don't think I can find any feature to. Okay, I think yeah, that feature. I think the feature is there. All right, let us try it out. Let us try it out. If we want to set stop loss at 1.06010 and take profits at let's say 1.05165. Let us see if it's going to give us. Wow, I think this indicator has some faults. I think this indicator has some limitations that needs to be addressed. Right? So I don't think this indicator is exactly serving the functions that we are expecting it to, because ideally the indicator ought to show us the indicator ought to give us the option to impute our stop loss levels and take profit levels, and then it does the calculation automatically for us. Well, if you think I am wrong, kindly let me know in the comment section, because I think that is how this indicator ought to be. However, if you have any experience using this indicator, kindly share your experience with us in the comment section. Perhaps there is something I'm doing wrong, because I have gone through the parameters, I've gone through the settings of this indicator, and I have tried, imputing a stop loss level, a take profit level, but still nothing. Okay, let's just okay, let's try to use a stop loss of 1.05, and let's say take profit of 1.1. Can you see the value remains the same? Yeah, it remains the same, and the take profit here is not changing. It's not changing. So this indicator is not exactly what I was expecting. It's not exactly what I was expecting. But if you have any experience using this indicator, please, I would love to hear your thoughts. Okay, I'd love to hear your thoughts. Kindly share your experience with us in the comment section, or if you think this indicator is broken, then kindly let me know in the comment section what you think. All right, but let me just try one more time, or let me try it on another currency pair. I'm just going to try it on another currency pair, right? I'm going to add the risk reward ratio indicator again. I'm going to reset this. And we can see that the same thing is happening. The take profit price is very close to the current price. So guys, that is it for this video. I really think that this indicator needs some adjustments. Yeah, if the developers can make some adjustments to this indicator, I think it's going to be much better, right? Let me know what you think in the comment section. All right, thank you for watching, and happy trading.